Hi, this is Dr. Rajeshwar from YR PharmaTube. In the last video, we understood the terms such as hydride, metal hydride and metal hydrides as reducing agents. In this lesson, we shall learn one of the metal hydride reducing agents, that is sodium borohydride, which is employed in many synthetic reactions. Sodium borohydride is an inorganic compound with the formula NaBH4. It is a salt consisting of the tetrahedral anion. The salt NaBH4 has an ionic bond between sodium and borohydride. It acts as a reducing agent and thus it reduces by transfer of hydride ions to substrates. Sodium borohydride is prepared by the reaction of methyl borate with sodium hydride at elevated temperature, that is at 250 degrees centigrade. In an alternative method, it is prepared by heating sodium hydride with trimethoxyborane at 250 degrees centigrade. The reagent is insoluble in ether but soluble in water or alcohol. Hence, it can be used in hydrolytic solvents, that is water or alcohol. The reaction is carried out in ethanol or isopropanol. It is a milder reducing agent than lithium aluminum hydride. Reduction with sodium borohydride is more selective. The important uses of sodium borohydride reagent are discussed here. Number 1. In the synthesis of alcohols, which is also referred to as reduction of aldehydes and ketones to alcohols. Sodium borohydride reduces the carbonyl group of an aldehyde or ketone to the respective alcohols. Several examples have been given here. The carbonyl group present in ethyl gamma ketopentanoate is converted to an alcohol group in ethyl 4-hydroxypentanoate by the action of sodium borohydride. Similarly, the carbonyl group of parabenzoyl propanoic acid and hexane 2,5-dione is converted to gamma hydroxy 4-phenylbutanoic acid and hexane 2,5-diol respectively. Here are some more examples where the carbonyl group of glucose, cinnamaldehyde, 3-cyanopropionaldehyde and para-nitrobenzaldehyde are converted to sorbitol, cinnamyl alcohol, 4-hydroxybutyronitriol and para-nitrobenzyl alcohol respectively. In all these examples, it is to be noted that only the carbonyl group is reduced and the other functional groups viz. Carboxyl, ester, amide, nitrile, nitro, etc. remain unaffected. This high selectivity of sodium borohydride makes it the preferred reagent for the reduction of carbonyl groups in selective polyfunctional molecules. Number 2. Reduction of carbonyl group to methylene group. Para-toluene sulfonyl hydrazine condenses with carbonyl compounds to give tosyl hydrozones, which on reduction with sodium borohydride forms hydrocarbons. This method is useful in the synthesis of ketosteroids. Number 3. Reduction of ozonides. Sodium borohydride reduces ozonides to 2 molecules of alcohols and ozonides of cycloolefins to diols. Ozonides are formed by the reactions of ozone. Here, cyclohexene by the action of ozone produces ozonide. Number 4. Reductive alkylation of amines. When aldehyde or ketone is treated with primary or secondary amines in the presence of sodium borohydride, reductive alkylation occurs. Number 5. Reduction of carbon-nitrogen double bond. Although sodium borohydride does not reduce nitriles, it reduces carbon-nitrogen double bond. See the reaction. Number 6. Reduction of ester groups. Ordinarily, ester groups are unaffected by sodium borohydride, but in the presence of lithium chloride or aluminum chloride in diglyne, the esters are reduced to alcohols. Number 7. Hydration of olefins. Olefins are hydrated under mild condition without rearrangement in high yield on treatment with mercuric acetate followed by sodium borohydride in situ. In situ means on site or in position or on the premises. For example, 2-methyl-1-butene, which is an alkene, when it is hydrated in the presence of mercuric acetate and followed by the action of sodium borohydride, it produces 2-methyl-2-butanol. Number 8. Preparation of diborane. Diborane is used for the hydroboration of alkenes and is prepared by reacting boro trifluoride with sodium borohydride. Hydroboration is done in situ either in tetrahydrofuran or in diglyme. Number 9. Reduction of diazonium borofluoride. Diazonium borofluoride, which is obtained from benzene diazonium chloride, can be reduced with sodium borohydride in dimethyl formamide or alcohol to a hydrocarbon, that is benzene. Number 10. Reduction of azides. If the azide molecule containing sulfur atom are not reduced to amines by the usual hydrogenation methods. In such cases, sodium borohydride in isopropanol reduces azides by refluxing them to amines. This is the list of references followed for the lesson. That's all in this video, the metal hydride reduction reaction using sodium borohydride reagent. In the next lesson, we will discuss the metal hydride reduction reaction using lithium aluminum hydride reagent. Till then, never stop learning and never stop watching my videos. Thank you for watching this video.